emptied out my soul. You've heard it all before, honest but I know. Left these years ago, I was young and I'm old, still can't fill the void.
Alright, how you doing guys today? I hope so you're keeping well like always. And today we are in Novotel Benoa, Nusa Dua, Tanjung Benoa.
Yeah, we are in Tanjung Benoa area, especially we are in Novotel Benoa. We will have a chill out in Sunday because today is Sunday, it's chill out time. Yeah, so we will swim later on, and then later maybe we will do kayaking.
Yeah, because we are here actually not as we are stay like overnight. We just got the pool pass. Now it's very famous in Bali option like a pool pass.
Yeah,
so
because
you can have
nowadays many big hotels in Bali, because they don't have international tourists or guests, they just open for pool pass, pool day pass to make, you know, something for the hotel.
Yeah, like you can just entry and enjoy your time. And we will show you guys around. First of all, when you have to work, I have to edit video for today, and later we will play. It's quite windy, but it's very nice sunny day. We'll see.
The void. We don't need the past in our lives for tomorrow. Never see the end of the night filled with sorrow. What do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love? When everything's said and done, what do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love? When everything's said and done, what do we do to love? 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 When everything's said and done.
Hi honey.
Hi honey.
This is Sunday, but still I have to work.
Oh dear.
But I will have a coffee first, and then work a bit, and then I will just chill out later.
Waiting for the coffee. Always start the day with the coffee. However, what I wanna say about this place, very interesting fact, it's not the newest hotel, but have very nice vibe. It's very tropical place. The architecture of this hotel is very cool. It's really, you can feel like in the tropical place over here. Super cool.
Right, so I already changed, and then now it's time to do canoeing or kayaking, because later at 12 the water will be going up and up. So yeah, this is the best time. Check this out guys.
Out in the unknown, story took its toll. Thought I would've grown off the beaten track to become a better man, sinking in the sand. We don't need the past in our lives for tomorrow. Never see the end of the night filled with sorrow. What do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love? When everything's said and done, what do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love? When everything's said and done, what do we do to love? 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 When everything's said and done, what do we do to love? When everything's said and done.
very nice, but tiring. I already capek.
Alright.
Okay, I think that's enough for the kayaking, yeah?
Yeah.
Woo.
So this is how Sunday in Bali. He's enjoying his life. Row, row, row your boat. Look at him.
I got a crash. Very strong, yeah?
How do you feel?
Tired. No, but super cool, super cool. I really like it. Nice.
Yeah. This is how tropical vibe in Bali, right?
Yeah, tropical vibes.
Just chill out. Hi, honey.
Oh, hi, sayang.
Are you sunbathing?
A little bit.
I hope that we will not get sunburn after this.
No, but when I'm gonna get the tan, I will be more handsome. Look at the ocean view just.
Yeah, this is beautiful hotel. So the swimming pool actually with the ocean view. Area is Tanjung Benoa area. So as you see that next us there are many boats, there are many ships, because Tanjung Benoa area is close by the Benoa port. Benoa port is where the ship or cruise ship, big boat are landed, you know. So this area is called Tanjung Benoa. It's beautiful ocean, nice breeze. Yeah. Over there, can you see that there are two big boat? I mean big ship. Yeah, that's the container ship. Those boat will land it there in the Benoa port. So alright, after we swim and then we chill out by the pool and then we did the kayaking. I feel so hungry, so I have nasi goreng and Damian have sandwich. Oh, look at your sandwich, so huge. Well, actually that we paid 130k per person. That's including the food, the drinks, and then including the use of pool and then kayaking and the use of hotel facilities such as gym also. It's really good price with this one. Wow.
Yeah, and it's so quiet in the same time, unfortunately.
As you see, the
So
guests
sad.
only us. Hi honey.
Hi, sayang.
So yeah, Damian is still editing the video. I will just walk and chill out, and I will explore a little bit about the hotels, and let's see how it is during this situation. So Damian still editing the video, and then I just decided to have a chill out a little bit. I also just finished my work, and now I will show you how Novotel Bali Benoa situation during this new normal. So quiet. So I spoke to the manager today, and he said that from 200 rooms, actually only 10 rooms occupied. And yeah, this is so sad. This is how it is right now. So it's low tide now in the afternoon. As you see over there, he is the seaweed farmer. Well, actually that Tanjung Benoa is famous for seaweed farming also. Yeah. Farmers. So there is a aeroplane on the top. Can you hear that sound of the aeroplane? Well, actually that Bali is already open for domestic tourists, but yes, now the situation, not much domestic tourists coming to Bali, and everywhere, as you see around Bali, still quiet. Yeah, I don't know what to say. Well, in July, August, this is summertime actually. Normally this hotel is full of tourists, but yeah, as you see, nobody here. I mean, not much people are here.
Alright, so we are after the chilling into the Novotel Benoa, and now I am just showing you a few shots. It's super hot, that's why Winnie stay in the car. Everything is totally closed here and it's super quiet. Even Starbucks next door is closed.
Only 2 hotels in Tanjung Benoa open, I think.
Novotel and
Sol Melia.
And Sol Melia is only open probably now because month ago when I drive around Tanjung Benoa was also closed. Yeah, that's how it is. But as you can see behind me, it's like it's just nothing is happening, and even the cocoa market is closed. Could you imagine? Just normal shop.
Yeah.
Okay, we will go more into the Tanjung Benoa and we will see how it's there. But
Yeah, let's go.
Say you think about me because I'm starting to doubt we will find our way back to each other when you're on the other side of the world. I'm here and I'm waiting, but I know I can't say that we didn't end it for good reason. Still I'm hoping we'll be meeting soon. Everybody needs some time to figure themselves out, but I want you close, and I still have hope. I'm waiting every day for you to come back and tell me we can work it out, forget about the past. Now time moves slow, I'm not high or low, no, I'm somewhere in the middle and a little bit messed up, 'cause without you everything stops. I'm feeling so lonely when you never phone me. I put your picture on my windowsill to make myself feel alright, but I knew it would not be easy spending time apart, and I almost can't believe it. Believe that you're gone, and I don't think this will get better until you come around. I guess that everybody needs some time to figure themselves out, but I want you close, and I still have hope. I'm waiting every day for you to come back and tell me we can work it out, forget about the past. Now time moves slow, I'm not high or low, no, I'm somewhere in the middle and a little bit messed up, 'cause without you everything stops. But I want you close, and I still have hope. I'm waiting every day for you to come back and tell me we can work it out, forget about the past. Now time moves slow, I'm not high or low, no, I'm somewhere in the middle and a little bit messed up, 'cause without you everything stops. Without you everything stops.
alright guys, so
Yeah. Even the big money changer is closed in Tanjung Benoa.
yeah, even Pepito market is closed. Everything is actually closed, or almost everything. Yeah, so I think that will be enough for today's vlog. We just chilling little bit in the Sunday morning and afternoon in the Novotel.
Yeah, and the hotel, the big hotel Bali Tropic also is still closed.
Yeah.
Yeah, I
guys.
think that's all for today. How Sunday. This is a big loud bike actually. Well, actually this is how Sunday in Tanjung Benoa area, Nusa Dua. Thank you guys for watching, and I think every new video is at 7 p.m. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and if you want us to see another part of Bali, just please comment below.
Comment below, and like always, something new tomorrow 7 p.m. See ya guys, take care.
Bye!